LED headlights are quickly becoming the norm for cars because of their awesome safety, no dazzling, brightness, and power, no glare. Close to 90% of new cars come with LED lights these days. In the past few years, with the ever-increasing focus on safety, the one thing that motorists want from their headlights is more brightness while driving. Dim and yellow headlights are no longer desirable and can be a disqualifier for a car. As longtime car experts, we know a thing or two about the headlight manufacturers and their products, as well as what makes a great LED headlight for the car. There are many products available to choose brightest LED headlights, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best brightest LED headlights from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fahren H11 H9 H8 LED headlight bulbs. The Fahren H9 and H11 super bright LED headlights don't need a conversion kit for most cars and will be a great product that can give any vehicle an amazing new look. Not only that, but Fahren LED headlights are a fraction of the price of others on the market. These H11 H9 H8 LED headlight bulbs can replace typical 60W H11 H9 halogen headlights in most vehicles. With their super bright LED performance, they can light up the road like never before, making it almost impossible for other drivers not to see you, and for you to keep a close eye on the road in all its detail. The LED headlights are also designed so that the temperature should stay comparatively low, which leads to a lifespan of up to 5,000 hours. They have an online filter program to make sure the product will fit your make and model, so confirm that before you order. Positive side. Super easy install, takes less than 10 minutes to install. Relatively cheap. 1-1 replacement for halogen bulbs. Uses little power. Low heat. Negative side. Can be too bright, especially for driving at night in built-up areas. LED lights are more efficient than their halogen counterparts, but they are also more expensive. Number 2. Alla Lighting 10,000 Lumen H11 LED bulbs H8 H9 H11 headlights bulbs or fog lights. Many a customer has made an interesting discovery when being blinded by headlights from oncoming traffic. They can be so bright that they temporarily blind oncoming traffic. By installing these on your car, you can get a super bright, incredibly powerful headlight and fog lights, without the dazzling of headlights. Positive side. Available in H8, H9, and H11 sizes. Extremely bright. Negative side. Higher price. Number 3. BEAMTECH H11 LED headlight bulbs kit. If you're looking for super bright headlight bulbs, then these are for you. BEAMTECH are your lights. It produces 8,000 lumens of output with the new Korean CSP xenon white clear LED chips. The beam pattern is very similar to the standard dual beam bulbs. Also, with more than 30,000 hours of lifespan, this particular LED bulb can withstand different weather conditions. The BEAMTECH company excels by producing these lights with a light beam pattern that delivers low heat and prolongs the headlamp's life. When it comes to installing these LEDs, the BEAMTECH headlight bulbs have a simple plug-and-play technology that makes it easy to install. Switching from head kits to this amazing LED headlight bulbs, H11 bulbs are definitely a professional upgrade to your lighting performance. Additionally, these good quality LED headlights come with a passive cooling system, no cooling fan, that distributes the light evenly. It does not produce any extra noises that sometimes you get from some other headlight kits. The BEAMTECH LED headlights also have a cut-off line that prevents you from blinding other oncoming drivers. Positive side. Yields the awesome 8,000 lumens per pair. Makes driving at night a safer undertaking. Unlikely to scar or blur your imaging. Yields 4th low heat output when in use. Its life expectancy is rated 30,000 hours. Negative side. Demands some expertise to handle and operate. May not work well in certain areas. Number 4. BEAMTECH H13 LED headlight bulbs. The BEAMTECH LED headlights fit in place of most factory halogen bulbs. It adds like a xenon effect and offers more visible light on the road ahead. More light equals safer nighttime travel. It can improve the look of your car with a brighter output and tunable beam pattern. Many people think that brighter light is not a good idea, but in fact, brightness can help nighttime drivers see roadway signs and traffic signals more clearly and improve reaction times. And LED headlights allow you to gain brightness without bothering oncoming traffic. Positive side. The brightest in the market. Long life. Easy INSTALLATION 6500K kill white light. Negative side. Some customers report flickering. Number 5. Glowteck LED headlight bulb 6500K kill white. Glowteck are great lights that I have been using for 3 weeks now. Combined illumination is 12,000 lumens, which really helps out in rural areas where there is no street lights or during snow and rain. It uses a Cree HP50 chip to control beam pattern, which helps create an intense and focused beam. After installing this, I have driven in wet conditions with no trouble spotting obstacles on the asphalt. The bulb sizes are H11, H9, H8, and the lifespan is specified to be 40,000 hours of full brightness. Color temperature is a very pleasant 6500K, which looks very lovely and modern, unlike the old tungsten bulbs. With stated light angle 360 degrees, the lights give stunning and uniform lights, which is a boon for driving in all conditions. Connections are all non-proprietary, meaning you do not need any additional connectors to use it. Just plug it in the usual headlamp connector, and you are good to go. It had some minor problems with my EQ causing it to flicker when turned on, but the decoder fixed this problem very easily, and after that, it has been performing flawlessly. These lights are also certified, so it is perfect from security standards. Mechanics highly recommend this universal bulbs if you are looking to replace your beam headlamps with these absolutely 5-star lights. These are some over-the-top headlights. Positive side. Takes a shorter duration to set up. Guarantees more consistent operations. Gives you the leeway to choose the right brightness intensity. Its dual beam bulb patterns are adjustable. Delivers unmatched quality and design. Negative side. Works as a headlight alone. Limited in scope and compatibility. Makes sure the bulb fits your headlight's housing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more helpful information or if you want to know the product price, do check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life very much easier.